Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com and I'm currently on board the beautiful Norwegian Encore. So right now I am in a spa suite. So what's unique about this category is that you also get access to the thermal suite in the spa as well. So this is something not found on the Joy, but it is found on the Bliss, and it's also on the Inaugural as well. So let me show you what this room is all about. So once again, it is a Haven room. You're outside the Haven, so to get to the Haven, you're gonna go, in this case, from the back of the ship to the front, take up to deck 17, take the elevator, and then you'll go in the Haven itself. So that's just something to keep in mind, but you have all of those amenities, access to all of the quiet space, and the Haven restaurant and everything else. So right when you walk in here, on the left is the bathroom. So let's head on in. You'll see you've got the toilet here. You've got a beautiful backsplash in there as well. You have the upgraded L'Occitane bath amenities. You also have kind of a somewhat of a dual vanity here. So it's not super big, but it does have two faucets here that you can utilize and a little bit of vanity space. Trash is over there, and then a little bit of storage under here as well. So this is the shower, but it's important to keep in mind that this is not the only place that you can bathe on board or in this room. So here you've got your shower head, a little bit short for me. I'm 6'6", I'm a tall guy, but it does have the extra nozzles in here that make it part of the spa shower. You've got your upgraded amenities here as well. Let me head on out. All right, so let's now head into the walk-in closet. What a massive space. So here you've got your safe right there. It's not big enough for a laptop, but it is perfect for your passports, wallet, things like that. You've got storage under here, as well as, of course, you can put storage here as well. You've got your bath towels ready for you, so if you go up to the pool deck, you can use those. You also have these beautiful bathrobes. They're really soft and plush for every Haven stateroom. I really like those. You've got the scale. Maybe you want it, maybe you don't want it on the cruise. And then here you have a full golf umbrella as well. A little bit more access to storage, and then the Haven slippers are on the other side here. So here you've got more hanging space, and then of course I'm 6'6", so I can use all the space, but you have space all the way along the top up here as well. So there's quite a bit of storage in this room. Okay, right here when you walk in, you've got more storage. It's a perfect place to put a key, put stuff when you come in. Here, okay, and then as I walk in, I will show you, you've got the vanity right here. You've got the magnifying mirror, backlit mirror as well as the small stool to sit on. And then you have a hairdryer, which is standard in every room on board the entire ship. And then let's head over to this side. I'll show you have all of your light controls for the room here. And then on the side of the bed, there's a little blue light down there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but basically in all the Haven rooms, they've had that ambient blue light so you don't stub your toes at night, but you have that extra glow. They also have the beautiful lights on the ceiling that makes it look like you are looking at the stars. You can turn that off if that's something that bothers you. Next to the bed, you have a plug, and then you also have two USB plugs as well, the reading light and the lamp, and then it's also backlit up here as well. Full king-size bed. You can order more and different types of pillows, make the bed firmer, softer, depending on what your tastes are. So as we come over, you can see, of course, the massive big screen TV. It's really oversized for a cruise ship. Storage all the way along down here. You've got a nice US plug over in the corner here. You also have a ship phone there. You've got your glassware up here for wine, champagne, and then of course you have an espresso maker in the room. I love that. I start my day with an espresso at home every single day, so you can utilize that. You also have the mini fridge down here. Yeah, a lot of times in the inaugurals for the showrooms, they just have those locked up there. You also have the boxed water, so they're doing away with all bottled water on board this ship and throughout the entire fleet, so something you might want to keep in mind. Champagne on ice, and then of course you have your dining room table. This is a perfect room to have dinner served in your room. So if you like that privacy, you have of course the beautiful views out there, but you can have your butler come in, they put the white tablecloth down, and they will serve your meals course by course in here if you like, or maybe you just want breakfast in here and do the dinners in a specialty restaurant. So what makes this room super unique to just about any other room on board, well definitely on board this ship, but on any cruise ship, is this huge jacuzzi bathtub in the room itself. So it's also got that blue lighting there. You see down there you've got the drain, which is important. But right now they have it all set up, just like you could have your butler do for you just to set a bath if you'd like. And then also you have the bath salts there as well. It's got the wand and also the spigot there. So basically, this is just something that's really cool. I don't think you'd want to have this room if you weren't a couple, for the most part, or maybe you're traveling as a solo, but you can see that this kind of turns it into a special spa room. And once again, keep in mind that you'll also have access to the thermal suite. This is something that a lot of times I pay for anyways, so if that's something you pay for, maybe it may be an extra value for you to get this specific room. So now let's head out onto the balcony. So now we're heading out onto the balcony. The balconies in the Haven, there's some that are very, very small actually, some that are absolutely massive. This is somewhere right in the middle. So this is a really nice sized balcony here. You've got 2 really large seats, so this is about double the size that you would normally find on a cruise ship. Like I said, I'm a big guy, I fit great. There's 2 of them here. This is a perfect place to have your coffee in the morning. Once again, you can bring the table out here as well, and the other chairs, and then you can dine course by course right here on the balcony. And then this one, there actually is just one room for one lounger, but it does have this full oversized, very soft lounger. One thing to keep in mind is you can see inside the room as well. This is one of the reasons it's probably best for couples, is I can see into the jacuzzi bathtub right now from here. So, but once again, balcony is a perfect place to sit back, relax, and have an incredible day. So when you're ready to book this spa suite, any suite on board Norwegian, reach out to Har Travel. We are your Haven experts. We have an amazing relationship with Norwegian. We know the Haven inside and out, so that we know that we can give you the absolute best value for your money when it comes to cruising on the Haven.